What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to use Bing Chat on your mobile device. It's quite an easy process. To get started, first check if Bing Chat is already available on your mobile device. To do this, you open your Google Play or App Store application, search for Bing, and download either the Microsoft Bing Search, Microsoft Edge browser, or Skype communication apps. Once you've downloaded one of these apps, open it up. In the home section, you should see a Let's Chat option that allows you to start using Bing Chat on your mobile device. If you don't see this option, don't worry. You just need to follow a couple of steps. First, make sure you're logged in into the correct Microsoft account. Currently, only Microsoft accounts with access to Bing Chat can use this feature. To gain access, open up your preferred browser and navigate to bing.com. Select the chat option and complete the steps to join the waitlist. Using the Microsoft Edge browser can speed up the process. You receive an email when you can access Bing Chat, allowing you to use it on your mobile device. And that's it! I hope this tutorial helped you out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, what's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to fix the problem when Bing Chat is not processing your prompts or showing an error. Firstly, make sure your account has access to Bing Chat and you're using a reliable network connection. Using the Microsoft Edge browser, go to bing.com and navigate to the Chat tab. If Bing Chat is not responding to your requests or not showing up at all, verify that you're logged into the correct Microsoft account by clicking on your username. Also, ensure that you have joined the waitlist to get access. Next, open up your Windows settings, select VPN in the Network and Internet section, and make sure your VPN connection is disabled. In your time and language settings, click on Date and Time. Ensure that the Set Automatically option is enabled. Clear your browser cache and site data for Bing.com to make sure any account updates will show